Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video. This is the publication 972, which deals with the child tax and other dependent credit. That's the name that this publication covers. And the 8812 used to be called the additional child tax credit, which has been changed to the child and other dependent credit going forward in 2022 for the 2021 tax season. And so this here credit is the child tax credit. It used to be where your kid had to be 16 and under to qualify for it, but they changed it where you can be 17 and under and still get the $2,000 child tax credit and anything over 17. So if you had a dependent that was 18 or even 19 but a full-time student, they will get the 500 of the dependent credit on the tax return. So what we're going to do is actually go through this uh, worksheet line by line. So the first thing, number one, to ask you is how many qualifying children under 17 uh, with social security numbers do you have? So we put down two. So we got two on number one. The next question says number of dependents, including qualifying children who are under 17 or who do not have the required social security numbers. We have zero. In this training, we're dealing with simple U.S. citizens only scenarios. A lot of the information that you have to learn inside the tax preparation career industry gives you a lot of different other scenarios, which makes all information that takes to learn how to prepare individual income taxes so overwhelming that we're going to keep it simple and dial down to strictly U.S. citizens only, where all you need to know is the basic information needed for that student and for that client is that everything we're dealing with is for U.S. citizens only. We're not dealing with no special circumstances situations. So all the other additional information that you would have to know will not be needed uh, in the trainings that I do because we keep it this simple. So get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you like my message, you like my trainings, please subscribe. Please leave me a comment in the comment section and join my email list so you can be kept updated on what's happening in the industry that may affect you and your clients, especially if you're a tax professional yourself, you definitely want to be kept in the know. And if you're a tax preparer who might not have tax professional status, like myself, you still want to be kept in the know on what's happening with all the changes that's going on. So the next question is three. Add lines one and two together. So we did that, which makes it two, which really means 4,000 because each one is worth 2,000, so it's really 4,000. So 2,000 times two made it 4,000. And then what we have to do is we're going to answer the next question. It says enter amount from 911. So the W-2 had 15,500 on it. We put that on line 4. Line 5 says 1040 or 1040 SR. Enter the total of any exclusions. We're not dealing with anything special. So it's zero. Number 6, add line 4 and 5 together, which brings down the 15,500 from 4 to 6. It says number 7, enter the amount shown below based on filing status. Well, the couple we're using are not married, so we're using other filing status, which is 200,000. That 200,000 goes right here. 8 says, is the amount on line 6 more than the amount on line 7, which is no. And so from there, we follow the instructions. Leave 8 blank, put 0 on 9. So that's what we did. We got 9, 0 on. Then it says, is the amount on line 3 more than the amount on line 9? So this is 3 right here, which is the 4,000. This is 9. This is the 9. 9 is 0. So the answer to the question is 3 more than 9 is yes. It says subtract that, so that's 4,000. So we go to the next part 2. Enter the amount from line 11, 18. And so 18 is the taxes owed on the income. This is just a made up scenario for training purposes, which is 1,000. So they owe $1,000 in taxable and taxes on the income that they made. 12 says add the following amounts. We have none, so it's zero in the box. So we bring down this 1,000. Boom. Are you claiming any of the following credits? We're not, so zero. Subtract that from that, the 1,000 carries down. It says, is the amount on line 10 of this worksheet more than on line 15, which is no. So enter the amount from line 10, which is the 4,000. And the 4,000 says enter the amount on line 1040, line 19. So we'll take this and we'll carry it over to line 19. So that 4,000 go right here. The $1,000 in taxable, the taxes that owe will be right here. And so 1,000 will come out of the 3. 1,000 will come out of the 4, which will leave a 3 uh, in a perfect scenario. And then from there, this here tax return doesn't even deal with the worksheet I'm dealing with. I was just trying to show you the 1040 and how that correlates. And so that's how simple it is to do this worksheet by hand once you understand what you're doing. And so we carry that 4,000 over. So that's the child tax credit that they qualify for having 2 kids under 17 in this scenario. And we carry that 4,000 over to line 19 of the 1040. And that's how you would fill it out. So if you want to learn more about how to prepare individual income taxes, if you're looking to start your own tax preparation service, if you go to my website, and I'll do another video on that either tomorrow or sometime this week, where I actually show you my website and show you where you can go to purchase my coaching program. It's normally $2,000, but it's on special right now on my website only for $1,295, which includes 2 free years of professional software that I sell as a reseller, a free tax preparation course if needed, and some other perks that come along with being a part of my coaching program that I don't talk about in public because they for paying clients only who need to know. So if you're interested in starting your own tax preparation business, you don't want to start by yourself. You don't want to go through all the trial and error that it's going to take you with making that happen, and you want to connect with someone that you can work with that's going to help you fast track your success, give you some targeted training to focus on. And those 3 things right now will be learning how to prepare individual income taxes, mastering the professional software to do the work with, and learning how to do some marketing that's going to help you go out and get clients for your business. Those are the 3 main focuses that I'm all about when it comes to getting started. If you're brand new to this industry, you have no prior training experience, they tell you that it's not necessary, but it's definitely helpful. So the people that's already in the industry doing tax preparation, who understands that, hey, if I started my own tax preparation business, I can make way more money than I ever could working for the company. They understand that concept. You know what I'm saying? It's still a learning curve for them, but they have a better understanding of what's happening because they're working in the industry versus someone who has no prior training experience, who wants to make this a career move and a business move all at the same time. Because tax preparation and taxation is a career industry by itself, and the type of income you can make by helping solve people's tax preparation needs is awesome. The freedom and the financial freedom that come along with that once you build a business to that level is awesome. And if you want to leverage my 20 years of experience, 14 as a business owner, to help fast track your success, because you don't want to waste time, money, and frustration by doing this all by yourself, then reach out to me. Let's talk. Let's connect. Let's see if we'll be a good fit for working with one another. Because my coaching program is designed strictly for you and only you, with your best interest at heart. Because it's not about the money for me. It's about making sure that you have the best training, the best resources, and the best opportunity to be successful in your business once you get started. And once you decide to take action, I want to be the one there for you to help you make it happen. And I'll see you in my next video.